Let's make this fun speech bubble graphic together. First, insert a speech bubble shape of your choice. You can find them in the callouts section under Shapes. Make it big, since we are going to fill it with more icons. Then remove the shape fill. Increase the weight of the outline and add an outline color of your choice. Now go to the Insert tab and click on Icons. Type the word bubble in the search bar and select all the icons which resemble speech bubbles. Then click on Insert. The icons will all appear on the same spot in the slide, so take a quick moment to spread them out. Then go to Icons again. This time write Speech into the search bar. Select all icons and click on Insert. Again, take a moment to spread the icons out. Next, duplicate all icons and place them in another part of the slide. While still having all icons selected, go to Graphics Format in the upper toolbar and make all the icons smaller. This will give us more size variation in the final graphic. Now you can select different colors for your graphics. Don't forget to only change the outline color for graphics that have no filling. All that is left to do now is to arrange the different icons inside of the big speech bubble. Try to have variation in the colors, size, and styles of speech bubbles that you put next to each other. If you have placed them all, and there are still empty spaces, you can just copy-paste some icons and put a double into one of the gaps. You can also adjust the colors of these doubles for more variation. Once you are satisfied with the placement and the spacing of your icons inside of the speech bubble shape, select everything that is on the slide, and under Arrange, click on Group. This allows you to easily move the graphic around, duplicate it, or resize it. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.